Hi Libra, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as well as check in the description box below, which I've put the link for July monthly reading as well. You can also now follow me on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are also in the description box. Alright, without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Libra. I've got the Six of Swords coming up for you here. I've got the High Priestess, and I've got the Temperance card coming up here as well. So you could be dealing with a Pisces or a Sagittarius, or someone with a strong Pisces or Sagittarius in their chart here as well. And I've got the Five of Cups coming up strongly for you here. So the first energy that I'm getting for you here, Libra, is regret. So either you are in this position of feeling regret, or your person is kind of in the position of feeling regret for the breakup, because I'm definitely sensing like either both of you are currently being separated emotionally. If not, this is also an indication towards me that could be a physical distance between the two of you here, in a sense that both of you could be living in a different state or in a different country here, or that could just be an indication that you haven't met this person in a quite a long time. That kind of energy coming up here as well, Libra. And with this Six of Swords energy coming up here, I do feel like things between the two of you is going to move forward into a much more calmer water, or into a much more calmer situation here. With this Six of Swords energy, the High Priestess and the Temperance card, I do feel like you're such a highly intuitive person here, Libra. So try to listen more to your gut feeling and listen more to your intuition here. Somehow, I do feel like this is someone that you have walked away from in the past, and they try to come back here again, and you're just having this uncertainty, or just having this confusion as to whether you should receive them back or whether you should accept them back. That kind of energy I'm getting here strongly as well, because I've got the Eight of Swords coming up here, which is an indication towards me you're kind of feeling stuck, or you're kind of feeling trapped in your mind, because you're just like unsure on which direction that you need to go here. And for some of you, you could be actually be dealing with two different energies, because I'm seeing like two different people here. Someone could be from the past, and one is the someone new that you're currently in, or this is could be actually both of them are someone from your past that wants to come back here. So you could be having two exes that try to come back towards you, and this could be actually causing you the confusion, like you just don't know which one you need to decide, or which one that you need to entertain here. But with this High Priestess energy, what I'm getting here is that definitely trust your intuition. I'm also sensing a new journey coming up here for you, and I've got the Magician card coming up here as well. So I do feel like I do feel like this reconciliation could be actually something that I've been waiting for, something that I've been trying to manifest here. But when it comes now, either you just already got over of this person, or you're just like unsure that whether you want this person to come back here or not. Another reason could be because I do feel like this person could be coming up as a little bit closed off, like they just like they're basically not revealing too much here, like they just basically like decided to again play by the ego, or even like playing this waiting game towards you here, Libra. So I do feel like your person wants to come back towards you, that they want to have reconciliation, but at the same time they're trying to not revealing too much, or they kind of like to come from the place of ego. That kind of energy I'm getting here strongly as well. I've got the Lovers card coming up here, so reconciliation is definitely on the card, but again this is your choice, because I'm definitely sensing two different energies going to come approaching you here. I do feel I've got the Nine of Swords and the Nine of Cups coming up here strongly. So I do feel like this could also be, I've already given you anxiety, like trouble sleeping at night, over worrying here. But with this 2-9 card coming up together, I do feel like you're just on the verge of completion. So whatever coming up next year, all this anxiety, all this mentally feeling torture or mentally feeling tired here, I do feel like this is going to come to an end towards you here. And I've got the Nine of Cups coming up towards you as well, which is an indication towards me this is something that This is something that you've been wanting to have. This is like your wish fulfillment card coming up here. So this is what I mean, that I do feel like you've been wanting to have this reconciliation. I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here as well. So lots of 9 coming up strongly in this month for you here, Libra. So I do feel like you basically have gone through, like, this is just like the last step. This is like the final step that you need to take for the wish fulfillment in love here. So all things that's been going on in the past, all this heartbreak, all the previous heartbreak, all the previous sadness here, basically have already coming up to an end, and you're going to move into a much more calmer water, into a much more calmer situation here as well. I'm also getting like some of you could be actually focusing on building up your career, on building up your money here with this Nine of Pentacles coming up here. So like you just basically have decided to just stay single and focusing on your business, or just focusing on, you know, like on your career, like getting promotion, that kind of energy here as well. I've got the Star card coming up for you here, so you could be dealing with an Aquarius or someone with a strong Aquarius in their chart. Yeah, I've got the Two of Wands coming up for you. So you're the one who is now undecided here, or you're the one who is currently feeling confused as to who you need to choose here, Libra. Because again, I'm definitely sensing a strong reconciliation energy, but I'm also sensing two different person or two different energy coming up here towards you. I've got the Queen of Swords and the Hermit card coming up here. So I do feel like at this point of time, again, I do feel like with this Mercury retrograde that has been going on, my suggestion or my advice here is just try to not make any decision up until the Mercury goes direct, especially with this Hermit card coming up here. This is basically an indication towards me. It's time for you to just go within yourself. Do not make any decision, just go within yourself, meditate more, cleanse your energetical space here, do some spiritual bath, do some, like, have some alone time here just to think things through here. And with this Queen of Swords energy here, Libra, I'm also sensing that you're going to use your head over your heart in making any decision. And with this Queen of Swords energy, this is basically someone who is actually does not take any crap, does not take any BS. Like, either you come towards me the right way or do not come at all, and I'm just going to cut you out. That kind of energy I'm getting here strongly. And I've got the Death card coming up for you, which is an indication of a new beginning. And wow, the Ace of Wands coming up here as well. And I've got the Page of Wands and the Justice card. So with this card, what I'm getting here is that I do feel like what I'm feeling here is that one is your divine counterpart coming up with this Lovers card. Another could be just someone who is, someone who just wants, like someone who kind of like a player kind of vibe here. So one person could be actually someone who is actually a divine counterpart here, but another person could just be wanting you for the sexual relationship. So you need to think things through here, Libra, because you have two decisions, like two person to choose from, and one is someone who wants to be with you, and one is just like wants to be with you for the sexual part of the relationship. And this is where you need to use your intuition moving forward here as well. Alright, so that's it for your July 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.